Today we're going to run a simple thought experiment that's going to help you make consistent progress and stop fucking up on your journey. And it's all based around excuses. Let's look at the good example first. Person A. Across here we have time and up here we have progress. You want to get to here. Person A has excuses, but they don't come up every week. We have a good week, another good week, then we have a bad week. Something did happen. Then there's another good week, and maybe they have another bad week. The excuses within these weeks are perfectly acceptable. Do you know why? Because over time, you're trending towards this position where with enough time, you've made the progress that you want to make. Now let's look at person B as an excuse this week, and the next week, and the next week, and the next week. You see what's happening? Plateau after plateau. You'll find that some people have excuses that are short-term in nature, meaning something has actually come up. They've got a stag do this weekend. They've probably written off their fat loss for a whole week, which could be this week here. They've also then taken on a new project at work. It's taken a lot of time, a lot of stress. Maybe they can't train as much as they want to. They are down on energy, they're stressed. They've had another bad week. But the weeks in between, they're making progress. In person B's example, they're using the same excuses week in, week out, which means that over time, they're making no progress. If your excuse is long-term and you're not willing to adapt, change, and reflect back if it actually is a reason for you to not make progress, here's the fucking harsh truth. You are never gonna get a result if the excuses are the same every single week. Have you taken on more responsibility, more stress in these positions? Or is work busy? Work's always going to be busy. Have you got problems this week? You're always going to have problems. If your average week is your hard week, you're lying to yourself and you need to address it. Peace.